Now, moving little further to the practical part as how we can transfer the data from one drive to another drive. There are two methods. I'm going to show you one by one both the methods. Moving to the first method. In order to copy the data from one drive to another drive, the first step is that we're required to go on my computer. So this is the my computer that is present on my system. When I'm double clicking on my computer, this screen gets open in front of you where you all are able to see different drives that are present on your system. In this particular case, this is the C drive that is present. One more drive, D. Another drive that is present over here, it is E drive. So I can say that my system is having how many drives? Three drives, C, D and E. There is one more drive that you are able to see, but it is for CDs or DVDs called as F. Now, moving towards the practical part of moving the data from one drive to another drive. So, the first thing that I'm going to see is three drives. Out of three drives, we're required to select the data or the drive in which the data is present. So in this case, I'm going to just select the D drive, because in D drive there are files which are very smaller, so the copy paste option will be much quicker. So I'm selecting D drive. When I'm selecting D drive, all the data that is present in D drive will be seen. So just select any one of the data that is present in the D drive it is. So I'm selecting this particular, that is 792. The first method is just right click over here, copy. So your 792 file will get copied. This is the file explorer where you are able to see all the content that was present on the my computer. This is the shortcut method. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting A drive from here. And what I'm going to do, see, you are able to see 792 is already present over here. So right click and paste. It won't be pasted, or it will show me this particular thing. The destination already has a file name 792.bin. Do I require to replace it? Do I require to skip, or do I require to compare both the files? So I'm replacing that particular file. One more time, I'm deleting the file so that it is much easier for you to demonstrate one more time. I'm deleting both the files. Closing all the windows that is open. The first is go on my computer. Select the drive in which the data is present. We have selected D drive. I have selected D drive. The data that we have selected was 792. So I'm selecting 792. What I'm doing? Copy. From here I selected which drive? A drive. You can copy the data in C drive also. Right click anywhere in between. A drive, I'm right clicking on it. One option is there called as paste. So the data is pasted. So right click, copy, right click, paste was the first method. Now the second method is with the help of certain shortcut keys. The shortcut keys, listen to me very carefully and note it down. The shortcut key for copy, it is Ctrl C. Ctrl plus C, when you are pressing, your data will be copied. And when you require to paste it, so Ctrl and V, both the keys must be pressed simultaneously. Now let us move towards the practical part with the help of shortcut keys. Again I am selecting my computer. I am going on D drive. I am selecting another file. You just see I have just selected it. I have not right click on that particular file. I have just selected the file. Now what I am going to do, Ctrl C. As soon as I am pressing Ctrl C, the data will get copied. I am moving to which particular drive? local drive E. Press anywhere in between this or mouse click on it, Control V. So as soon as I'm pressing Control V, you are able to see the data is copied over here. So I hope I made myself very clear how we are able to transfer the data from one drive to another drive. In my case, it was D drive to A drive. Thank you.